Okay, in this lecture, we're going to see how we can sort by numbers. So, we've got our table again. Now we're going to do the following tasks. Sort the table by quantity, in terms of smallest to largest order, and then sort the table by cost per item, in terms of largest to smallest values. So how do we do it? Well, again, the first step, select your whole table, then head on over to custom sort. Now sort by, we want quantity, we want values, and then we want smallest to largest. Then click OK. There. You can see that our table has now been sorted by quantity in terms of smallest to largest. Okay, so let's get on to the next task, which is to sort the table by cost per item in terms of largest to smallest order. So we select our whole table, custom sort, sort by cost per item, and then largest to smallest. Now, it's worth pointing out here, folks, that when you select your column in the sort by drop-down, Excel will look at the type of data in that column and work out if it's text or if it's numbers. So in this case, Excel knows that it's numbers. And so where previously in our text lecture, when we were sorting by product and month of order, we had A to Z and Z to A in these two placements here. Because we've got numbers, Excel basically changes that to smallest to largest and largest to smallest. Okay, so getting back to our task, we want largest to smallest. Right, and click OK. There. Our table has now been sorted by cost per item in terms of the largest number first and the smallest number at the end. So that concludes this lecture. We have seen how we can sort by numbers in terms of smallest to largest order and largest to smallest. If there are any questions or queries, please feel free to reach out. Thank you.